Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. If you were new here, so I am Maurani Hurst. I lived in a small village in West Bengal. I learned English through making the video because I am a beginner. So I have to practice daily. Of course, speaking English is not easy who lives in village like me because we studied English in our school, but teacher focus on grammar and writing, not to speak. So we didn't get chance not to speak. Of course, we learn English, we can understand English, we can read in English, but when it come to speak, I feel get nervous. I fumble, I start fumble, I start. My mind actually going to be blank. I am getting stuck. So many problems are there. And of course, sometimes I know the words, but I couldn't speak confidently. Sometimes I scared. People will judge me. So that's why practice needed for me. And I know if you want to speak in English, you have to practice regularly. But if you don't practice, you can't speak in English very freely. Because practice makes perfect a man. If you want to practice every day, so start from today. And I promise myself, I will practice every day. And I am recording my video and I uploading my video. And I don't give up. I will not give up. I promise you. But if you want to become part of my journey, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. And of course, you have to practice every day. Because without practice, you can't speak English. For spoken English, you don't need to expensive courses, expensive schools, expensive institution. Need consistency and practice. So that's why practice regularly. If you practice regularly 5 minutes, it is your progress. And if you are making mistake, it is learning. So don't be afraid to doing mistake. Please practice every day. Then you will be able to speak in English. And of course, we are a beginner. So we can do making mistake is a normal thing. But of course, we learning from the mistake. Of course, we don't have any spoken English institution, expensive courses. We learn by myself. But today era, this is not difficult because it is social media era. You can access everything: reading, watching, listening, and speaking practice can do here. So that's why you have to practice every single day. And if you want to speak English fluently, effortlessly, you have to get out of this fear in your inner side. You have to get out of the fear. People will judge me. I am making mistake. I am getting stuck. So you have to get out of the fear, and only practice can help you. So if you want to speak in English, start from today. I promise I will upload video regularly. I will not give up. And you promise yourself. Then we will learn together, we will grow together, and we will become fluent together. So I hope you like this video. So for today, tata, bye bye. See you in next video.